each square on this map is 1 square centimetre. Each centimetre on the map represents an actual distance of 2 kilometres. The length on the map from S to T is about 3 centimetres. The actual distance from P to R is about 3, 6, 8 or 12 kilometres. Now, looking at this, we know that each of these sides is 1 centimetre. But what about this diagonal length here? This diagonal, we don't actually know what the length of that is. It's not 1 centimetre, but it's actually the diagonal of that. Now the way we work that out is we use our knowledge. The length on the map from S to T is about 3 centimetres. Now S to T is actually the sum of 2 diagonals. What that tells us is that 3 divided by 2 is equal to 1.5, or that 1.5 is the length of one of these diagonals. Is that clear? So the length of one diagonal across a 1 by 1 centimetre cube is 1.5 centimetres. Let's use that to find the actual distance from P to R. So P to R is 1, 2, 3, 4 diagonals. So 4 diagonals with 1.5 for each diagonal. We need to do 4 times 1.5, which is equal to 6 centimetres. Now remember that each centimetre on the map represents an actual distance of 2 kilometres. So 6 times 2 gives us 12 kilometres. That's how many kilometres there is from P to R as the actual distance. That actual distance is D, 12 kilometres.